In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Teamviewer. Whether you're managing a home office environment or overseeing a network at a small business, learning how to control access within Teamviewer can help you enhance security effectively. Let's dive into the steps to block unwanted connections in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to launch the Teamviewer application on your local machine. This might seem straightforward, but it's an important foundation to ensure that you have access to all of the necessary settings. Take a moment to log in if prompted, as you'll need administrative privileges to adjust these settings. Once the application is open, navigate towards the menu bar. Here, you will find Extras. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll notice the Options selection. Clicking on Options will bring up a window with a wide array of settings to explore. For this task, we're specifically interested in enhancing your security configurations, so the next step is to choose Security from the left-hand sidebar. This section is pivotal when it comes to controlling who can and cannot connect to your machine remotely. As you scroll through the security settings, you'll soon come across the Block and Allow List option. This feature is key to managing access control. It's your powerful tool to prevent unwanted attempts to connect via Teamviewer. By selecting it, you open up the choice to create customized lists tailored to your security needs. Now, you can proceed to the crucial part: blocking specific users. Inside the Block and Allow list, you'll spot the choice titled Deny Access for the following partners. This is the step where you can add specific Teamviewer IDs or contacts that you'd like to restrict. Think of this as setting a virtual Do Not Enter sign for those specific individuals or devices. Carefully add the IDs you wish to block and ensure that they're entered correctly so there are no gaps in your security protocol. Additionally, while you're configuring access for general remote sessions, it's important to know that you can apply similar settings to Teamviewer meetings as well. This optional step allows you to maintain consistent control over who can attend meetings, thereby protecting sensitive discussions and shared content. Access control is just as vital here, depending on your circumstances, so consider your needs and adjust accordingly. As a quick recap, blocking Teamviewer access is an essential step to safeguard any unwanted invasions on your network. By carefully managing your Block and Allow list, you maintain stronger control over who can see what's happening on your screens, providing a layer of protection to your digital operations. Thanks for watching this guide, and I hope these steps have provided the insight you need to secure your setup against any unwanted Teamviewer access. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your tech environment effectively and securely.